Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to install and configure the Video Thumbnails plugin. Now what this is actually for is to display thumbnails when the user is hovering over the progress bar or dragging it to seek inside of the video. If you look here you can just see this little image here that overlays. So I'm going to go over to my site when I'm logged in. I'm going to access the plugins folder and then I'm going to upload the plugin. So here I can use the drag and drop. I just go into my downloads and find the plugin and drag it and drop it here. Then I can click the upload button, and now that that's done I can come back over to my site and find the thumbnails plugin. So I'll scroll down here. Video thumbnail. So firstly toggle it on, and then there's two things I need to do. Firstly I'm going to edit the parameters. So this lets you decide on the width of your thumbnail and the total number of clips, and if you have this box ticked it will cache these files. So I'll just save the changes. You can actually delete the thumbnails as well, so that way it will sort of start over again. So let's just go and test it out now. So I'll go back to the home page of my site and I'll just play a little bit of this video. Okay, so at the moment it's creating images, as you can see there. So I'll just pause this video, and then when we've got some images I'll come back and just show you. Okay, so that just took a few minutes to complete, and you'll see what happens if I put my mouse on here and go across. You can see the thumbnail images change as you go through, and that just took a few minutes. So hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks and bye for now.